Federal corruption trial of former Illinois Speaker Michael Madigan resumes tomorrow with closing arguments in this landmark case set to begin. WGN's Mike Lowe has more.
Former Illinois House Speaker Mike Madigan is accused of coordinating a criminal conspiracy that stretched across a decade and through nearly every level of government under his power and influence.
Good morning. How you feeling today?
The landmark federal corruption trial of former Illinois House Speaker Mike Madigan enters its final phase on Wednesday, when lawyers will begin making their closing arguments. A jury of 8 women and 4 men will decide the fate of the now 82-year-old, nicknamed the Velvet Hammer, who was the longest-serving state House Speaker in American history, who held his House seat for 50 years, and who has denied any wrongdoing.
The indictment alleges a long-term, multifaceted scheme to use public positions for unlawful gain.
The original 106-page, 22-count indictment accused the once powerful speaker of acting like an organized crime boss, calling his network the Madigan Enterprise. The U.S. Attorney's Office charged him with racketeering and bribery, outlining alleged crimes they say were intended to preserve and enhance Madigan's political power and financial well-being. Much of the government's evidence came from former Chicago alderman turned government mole Danny Solis, who secretly taped conversations with Madigan.
If anything else you're interested, just let me know.
There's one thing you can do.
In the closing stages of his own defense, Madigan made headlines when he chose to testify. By the numbers, the trial lasted nearly 3 months and included testimony from almost 60 witnesses. The trial included about 150 wiretap calls and undercover videos, including this one, in which Madigan and his co-defendant, Mike McLean, shared a laugh about all of the money their associates made for what were essentially no-show jobs at ComEd.
But Mike, he's involved with ComEd?
Yeah, you remember we got him that contract maybe 5 years ago now, whenever it was, for $150 a year. Well, if you remember,
Some of these guys have made out like bandits, Mike.
oh my God, for very little work too.
Yeah.
Very little work.
Closing arguments are expected to last at least 3 days, meaning it could be next week before a jury begins to deliberate the fate of one of the most powerful politicians in Illinois history. Back to you.
Stay with WGN for continuing coverage as we wait for a verdict in Michael Madigan's public corruption trial. We'll bring you the very latest as it happens on air, online, and on the WGN Plus streaming app.